Let's get ready to rumble!
Good morning. This is the New York session stream, taken as part of our Road to Funded series. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Go ahead and turn on that little bell because we are live every day, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. I lied once again, not every day, Monday to Friday. Every weekday, 7:30 a.m. Eastern, that's 12:30 p.m. Watt, West African time. That being said, let's get into the charts. All right, ladies and gentlemen, how you guys doing? Hope everybody's doing well. Hopefully today can be a profitable stream, whether it be in value or in pips, or I guess pips are value too, isn't it? Yeah. So yesterday, if you guys notice, there's a new feature on the stream. You have this win, and in brackets I got OS, right? It's off stream wins. So remember how I have a prediction of 30 and 0 for the month of April, right? I was thinking about it, and the chances that I'm gonna get 30 wins on stream are very slim. But the chances I'll get 30 stream both on and off stream, a little bit better, you know? So yeah, we're gonna be keeping track of our off stream wins as well, just for the duration of the little, a little project we have going on here, right? Of course, I mean, if I take an off stream loss, then the streak is over, right? So I don't really need to add a off stream loss record, you know? Right, so yeah, yesterday we managed to take what was it? Let me see, what did I take yesterday? Yeah, it wasn't for much, but it was something though. It wasn't for much in terms of dollar amount, but pips wise, that was, let me see, 84. So like 7 pips. Well, I had runners though. I did have runners, so yeah, the most of the position I closed at 7 pips, and then fully I closed at what is this, 23? Yeah, fully I closed at 23 pips. Yeah, so it was a little nice win yesterday. Not too much again in terms of the dollar amount, but yeah, nice little win for the day. I had a break-even trade as well. I had both a break-even trade and a win. So yeah, that's a recap of yesterday though. All right, let's see what happens today. So today might be a slow day. We might just range, but we have jobless claims, I believe. But we might just range in anticipation of FOMC. I mean, for sure, I believe. Look at this, like clockwork. Remember yesterday we had our level. What was our targets on GJ yesterday? 192.2. That was our target yesterday, right? Yeah, I mean, like clockwork. Just like clockwork. I don't know why. Oh yeah, I didn't take these buys up because I wasn't on stream. Yeah, I missed an entry. So I did have entries going up, but I wasn't on stream, and I had no internet access. So yeah, I didn't know my data expired. It is what it is. But okay. So now we've tapped into 192, right? 192.2, which is literally like clockwork. This is the level we had all week. Like from the beginning of the week, this is the level we were looking at, right? So now we've tapped into 192.2. What are we gonna do here? Are we gonna reject, or are we gonna continue this push up? Right? We've tapped into the decision area basically. So what are we gonna do here? Are we gonna reject or continue to push up? Let's see. So the weekly, I mean, everything is bullish. The monthly now is bullish, weekly is bullish. So I mean, these are good formations to continue this drive up, in my opinion, but we'll see. So the daily close beautifully. The daily close bullish as well. Could have had a better open if we just came down immediately, create the bottom wick first. But now we close inside this range here. Is there a level? Let me see. I think I'd say the soonest resistance that at least I would consider is, let's see. Have to go back to the past. Okay, so these levels here. These levels here. Let me see. Yeah, 192. Yep. It's a little bit higher. Still agree. Yeah, give or take. Yeah. Yeah, I like that level. More of a, I think it encompasses a lot more. Yeah, so right now I have this as my level, I would say. Yeah, definitely. Cool. So cool. So yeah, so now we've had this closer into this range, right? We're not really at the top of the range quite yet, but we have tapped into 192.2 already, right? So we might just see some rejection here to create a steeper bottom wick for this current daily. Maybe we flip on the current day. Maybe we you know, maybe we reject off of a lower level and then just come back into the range and sort of sit inside this range until we're ready to push out next week, right? Well, we don't really know yet, right? Plus tomorrow is FOMC, so there's gonna be a lot of the market can look drastically different than it does right now, right? So we could just come down here, tap into this level, because remember, this is a level I had, right, in terms of where I thought we were gonna tap into. We were just gonna drive all the way up. But I said if we tap into 192.2 first, it's very possible we just start driving. We just start dropping, right? But I don't really believe that. Yeah, with the current momentum, nothing in the market is currently telling me that we're gonna drive down, right? At least long term, right? So we might just have some short term pullback, right? And then we could capitalize on that as well. We can get some sales as we go down for the pullback as well, but we'll see. As that forms, we will see, right? But the levels are looking decent right now. The levels are looking decent. We closed above this level to 192.1 here. Okay, let me have this here. 192.2. Yeah, so now we're in this. Yeah, I'm a little not pissed, but I wish I really saw this move, right? Because it would have been a really good move, because I did have that 192.2 as a target, right? I mean, I probably wouldn't have held all the way up to 192, at least not full positions, right? But still, it would have been some nice entries. Right? But yeah, now we're looking for buys, right? We're looking for buys. Let me see. This one sort of fell back into range. That candle sort of fell back into range, but yeah, I think so. Consider the full range. For sells, we're looking range 2 sells. So boom, around here maybe. Is that to the left? Yeah, I like that. Might as well go all the way down, to be fair. And yeah, man. Let's see. It's resistance right there. Yeah. Yeah, the what's it called? The levels are pretty straightforward here, though. So that's always good. That's always nice. The levels are pretty straightforward, but is price gonna form straightforward? We are yet to see. We will see. Is formation on price gonna be straightforward or as straightforward? We will see next time on Dragon Ball Z. Yeah, we'll see what happens there. Yeah, we had major rejection off of this level in the past, right? Yeah. Especially if this holds. So if we close above, yeah. Cool. Yeah, this as well. Yeah, let's see how we close here. Let's see how we close. I currently have something in mind. All right, I currently have something in mind in terms of how exactly I want this to play out, or the ideal way this could play out. What I'm seeing here, right? I'm seeing a closer below, I'd say, let me see. So maybe not a closer below. Okay. So what I'm seeing is a, 1 second, boom. Okay, what I'm seeing here is I'm seeing a tap into this level here, or below this level, right? A tap into the level, close above, inside the range. So a bearish candle close here inside the range. This will probably happen on the 15-minute. I mean, I'm using the 30-minute, but this probably happened on 15-minute. So yeah, tap into this level, but so a bearish closure inside this range over here. Next candle comes down, breaks the bottom wick, right? Kills the bottom wick of the previous 15, and then comes back up, and we have a closer above, right? So how many candles is that? That's the initial drop, right? The initial drop, the new candle. So that's 2, right? That's 2 candles. The second candle comes up and closes above. So that's 2 15-minute candles, right? Yeah, so that's let's say that's a 30-minute closer, right? So that's, I'm not saying this candle is what's gonna do it, right? I'm just saying, right? There's a candle that's gonna come down, wick into this level, right? Close back up into this range, right? Then the new candle comes down and then creates or breaks this bottom wick, right? Breaks this bottom wick and pushes up and closes above here. Once we get this closer above, right, this is gonna be a 30-minute that looks something like basically a large bottom wick, right? Just a large bottom wick and a drive up and a push up, right? Because wherever we start here, it will be the beginning of the 30-minute, right? So I mean, yeah, wherever we start here will be the beginning of the 30-minute. So it'll just be a large bottom wick and then, you know, a long bottom wick and then a not so long body, right, to the top side. All right, as soon as we have that closer above, wait for a bottom wick, boom, and we out of there. We start pushing up. So like in terms of ideal positions, this is what I'm looking at right now. But that's just I'm just, you know, mapping out potential moves, you know. Nothing says it's gonna actually form like that. The only person that knows how price is gonna form is Jerome Powell, right? And the only person that knows how price is gonna form is Price, you know. Price and God, man. Price and God. Yeah, so let's see how we form here though. But these are my levels for now. So let's see how we form in and around these levels. Yeah, we should things are looking good for the buys though. Things are looking good for the buys. Abu Dhabi. Get it? Dubai, lol. All right, so let's see. This is the monthly. So let's take a look at gold. Sorry, take a look at gold. So bullish, of course. Bullish, of course. You know what's painful? Like I have my involvement in this whole push up. I mean, bro, it's not as much as it should be. Like we have one bullish candle, two bullish candle, three bullish candle, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 M's in my bank. It's crazy, man. We've been pushing up here. And now we've tapped into 2300. Remember, we had 2300 as our full TPs for the runners yesterday. Oh, well. I say that, but I wasn't on stream, right? So that wasn't on stream. So I had 2300 as my full TPs. I closed full a little bit earlier, but yeah, we tapped pretty. I mean, we killed 2300. We tapped into 2305 areas, right? Yeah, 2305 is what we tapped into. So I mean, there's a lot of money here. There's a lot of money here in the markets. A lot of money, a lot of volume. A lot of money, a lot of volume. Yeah. Sometimes I don't think I'm taking, you know, full advantage of some of my positions and opportunity here, but part of the journey, I guess. Yeah, so buys, I mean, do I even want to be involved here? Let me see, what is this? It's a decent range, to be fair, but in terms of sells, I mean, we're looking at range 2 sells. All right, we're looking at range 2 sells. Ooh, look at this 4 hour. 4 hour just flipped. How did the daily? Okay, daily close bullish. Create a top wick. Now 4 hour flip. Interesting, huh? Yeah, tapped into this level, killed the high, came back. This is it. Let's see how this hourly closes. I might take the sells, to be honest. To be honest with you. If we close below here on the hourly, I need a good top wick though. I need a decent top wick. I will consider this if we. Oh, for sure. For sure, for sure. Okay. I'm not I'm not impartial to those sells. Yeah, if we close below here on the hourly, look at the 4 hour though. We probably just drive down, to be honest. Yeah, we probably just drive down. Yeah, let's see how this hourly closes. If we close below this level, we close below 22.91 here. I might have, yeah, I might have those sells, to be honest. But we need to come up and basically break these highs for the top wick. If we come up, break these highs and flip, then I'll be in that trade. But if not, I might just have to watch price fill up this range. Yeah, because once price fills up this range, we should see the direction for the day. Or if price fills up this range. So once we tap into 2286, we should see direction. Right? The next closer after we tap into 2286, we should see direction. So either we're going to tap in and close below, right? Or we're going to tap in, reject, right? And then, you know, start making our way back up here. But let's see. So the ranges look good. I really like the ranges on both gold and GJ. The ranges are looking good. But let's see what we can accomplish in the markets here. Cool. All right, so news-wise, we know we have jobless claims at 8:30. Okay. The jobless claims at 8:30. We have Fed speech at 12. We're not going to be here for that. Okay, and tomorrow we got FOMC. Yeah, tomorrow should be a fun one. Tomorrow should be well, It's gonna be fun for some people, but sadly, it's not gonna be so fun for others. Yep, that I can guarantee. That I can guarantee. So this is what the account is looking like right now, though. Yeah, like I mean, to be honest, I thank God, innit? You just gotta thank God, because this is, I mean, this ain't much to most people, right? But just knowing how long it's taken me to, get to the, I mean, I say the position, right? It's not like I'm not top 10 trader in the world type shit, right? I haven't even scratched the surface of where I want to be as a trader, but just to get to this point, because I know how many challenges I done blown. I know how many times I let, psychology make me, do some dumb shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I'm not. Yeah, yeah. I was about to go into a whole rant right there, but I'm gonna save the emotional rant for once we get to the 100 subscriber mark. Yeah, yeah. And again, thank you for everybody that's watching. Even the small number of you that watch, whether you catch the live or you watch after the stream, you guys are the ones that are doing it for me, for real. Because if I wasn't on stream, I'd still be making some pretty dumb decisions. I'm not gonna lie, right? But you guys are keeping me accountable. Just the fact that I know people are gonna see this, and the potential this could have as creating a community and all that. You guys are keeping me accountable. So appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all, for all 15 of y'all. And even if you're not subscribed, but especially if you are, though. You feel me? All right. Let's see. Yeah, I really like the formation here on both gold and GJ. Really do. All right. While we wait, let me I don't think I put in the timestamps for the last stream that we had a W. I don't believe so. I need the max win. What? What you say? I need the max win. What? I need the max win. Win. Yo, that shit is funny though. That shit is hilarious. Man like Drake, Okay, let me see. When was that? Yeah, 15 subscribers is crazy, guys. Appreciate y'all. It's the big 1-5. I'm gonna work on improving the channel aesthetic as we go. Maybe get a new thumbnail. I really like this thumbnail though. How y'all feeling though? Y'all feel the thumbnail? Let me see. Let me make a poll for whoever joins. Let me see. Engagement. There you go. And do you? I don't know. On the thumbnail. No me gusta. Yeah, I like the thumbnail. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of the thumbnail. Of course, it could be better. It'll have to change eventually, right? But for now, I'm not. I mean, I got no qualms with it. I got no qualms with it. Yeah, let's see. So when did I take that last trade? Let's see this one. Okay, so oh, did I already make a video for this? Oh, I did. Oh, okay. Yes, I did make a video, huh? Okay, I thought I never. Wait. Really? Oh no, I didn't. Okay. I didn't. I haven't made a short. Okay, so gold. Let me see. Let me see gold. So we closed below. Okay. Okay, guys. So here's what could happen, right? We could flip right now and then come down and fill the rest of this range going down. This is a good 32 pips. I'm not gonna lie, it's very probable, right? It's very probable that we do that. But if you look here, right, we have rejected off this level in the past. Right? We have rejected off this level in the past, right? I mean, look at this candle, right? This is literally the same fake out, right? This is literally the same fake out. If a fake out was to happen here, it would be the same fake out. We tap into this level, right? And this candle also closed below, same as this candle closing below, right? And then what we do on the next candle, I mean, this candle, we create a top wick and we're coming down, so highly likely we drive here and fill the rest of this range. But at the same time, hey, you never know. You could just reject. I mean, if you're in here already, Godspeed. Godspeed. If you're in there already, Godspeed. But you should see, I mean, now that we've gotten to this point, I think we should feel the rest of this range going down. So if you got in those sells, GG's. I'd say go break even right now because there's really no reason to start coming back up here. Yeah, it's a clean range. It's a clean range, but we never actually closed inside that range, right? We never actually closed inside that range. If we close below, maybe. But for now, yeah, we gotta stay out of it. Yeah, but don't worry, it's still early in the session, right? We got news in 30 minutes anyways. We're chilling. We're chilling. So GJ as well. We had a closer below on GJ, but how did that hourly close? Let me see. Yeah, so respecting the top there. Yeah, so I mean, this is basically the candle that we were talking about, right? So now that we close below here, right? I am expecting that we're gonna come down here, maybe on this 15, all right? If news wasn't a factor, I would say there's more chance of this happening, right? So maybe on this 15, we come down here, we wick into this area, but we close somewhere in here. Next candle comes down, breaks these lows. We close up there on the 30, and then we continue to drive up. So that would be fuego. If that could happen, that would be fuego. So in terms of, in terms of the things playing out, the things not like the step by step, right? In terms of the step by step playing out, so we've had this closure below, right, on the 30. So this is yeah, this is number one. This is check number one. So let's see if we can get check number 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Oh, I'm feeling this music right now still. Yeah, so there you go. Straight down, tap into TP, right? So now we've tapped into 2286. Let's see what happens from here. I mean, this move was backed also by the fact that the 4 hour was flipping down, right, and driving down. yeah, I really couldn't take it just because of this level here, but yeah. So let's see. We got time here though. We have time. It's still early. It's still early. No need to panic. No need to panic. But most likely we're not gonna get anything until the 30-minute. Until news. But let us see. Let us see. Okay, let me see. Hey, don't forget to leave a like on the stream, guys. Leave a like. It helps the algo. It helps the algo get us to more people's front doors, you know. Get us to more people's front doors. Should I do this editing? I would do this editing right now, but yeah, I would do the editing right now, but let me see. Closed captioning work or no? Yeah, this doesn't take time. I'll do this after stream. But what can I do on stream though? Because I'm trying to keep the music going. I don't want to disturb you guys, but it is what it is. I'll do that after stream, I guess. But yeah, nah, I'm trying to what? Trying to see. I mean, maybe a new banner, right? Maybe a new banner. All right, I think that I can work on probably. Yeah, I'll try. I'll work on that. I'll work on the banner right here. I'm thinking maybe cause pushing pips, right? Pushing pips. What's the visual representation of a pip? Maybe I have like a bull, you know, sort of charging into, you know, something that represents, you know, a pip. I should write this down. Look, visual representation of a pip. I mean, I guess a candlestick would work as a visual representation, but that's a little too mundane, huh? Let me see. I mean, I gotta use some AI for this one. Some artificial intelligence. Go. Let's see. Yeah. So let's see. Let's see if gold continues to drop here. I mean, even if we have a 15-minute closure below, I'll stay out until news. There's really no point to get involved until news. But if we have a 15-minute close here below, I mean, what's your vantage point to this 4-hour, right? Yeah, I mean, it's not the best. Not the best. Yeah, so let's see. Okay. AI, let me see. AI. My fault. AI image generator. Let me sip this coffee real quick. Ah, yeah. Whoa, cold coffee. My favorite. Yeah, we dropping here on gold though. We are dropping. Are dropping. Okay, let me see. Yeah, let this 15 close though. Let this 15 close. Let's see what happens. Doing things on GJ. Okay. Generate that image for me. Let me see. What is this? Man. Yeah, so the bull ramming into let me see. What's the YouTube banner size dimensions? 2560 1440. Yes, that's decent. Let me see this. Come on, fam. Permissions. What is this? So how do I do the AI? Yeah, there you go. Generate. Okay, so I'm into Forex candlestick. There you go. Give me my images. Let me see what we got. Don't worry, I got my eyes on the chart, guys. Whoa, that's tough. Whoa, okay. A large gold coin. Blue motif. I like the blue. I like the blue aesthetic. That's what I want to keep as like the channel color, sort of the darkish blue. Ah, man. See, head button. I'm writing a bull head button into a large gold coin. That's a AI, huh? Okay, see GJ. So it looks like GJ isn't gonna follow my prediction here, but let's see. Let's see how that actually looks like. Yeah, gold might close below here on the 15, guys. So if you're gonna FOMO, you might wanna look away. What is this, man? See if I can generate the images in bits and pieces. Okay, so I mean, we're seeing the drive down here, but there's not much we can do about it. right? I mean, I never got an entry, so you know, it's not like I missed a move, right? I understood we could continue driving down here. That's something I understood, but with the way the 15-minute closed, with the way we've rejected from this level in the past, yeah, I mean, the only thing that was really signifying that we were gonna make this push was the 4 hour, which I mean, I guess it is higher time frame confirmation, but yeah, daily already made a top wick, I guess. Yeah. I mean, we're closing down below here, but I'm not gonna have anything. I don't really have a position I can take right now. So plus we have news in 15 minutes, so might as well wait. Okay, so GJ closed back above immediately. So yeah, we didn't even tap into this level. So again on GJ, I'll wait. I'll wait on GJ as well because we still have this hourly. Well, the hourly didn't close below. Oh yeah, yes it did. Yes it did. This is also I didn't know this was a level on the lower time frame or on the hourly as well. So yeah, so we closed below this support. So the support never held, right? Yeah. Yeah, so let's see now if we can come back up here because we technically still have we technically closed bearish. Well, not technically, we did close bearish below on the hourly. So yeah, let's see if we can come back up here. Let's move that. Yeah. And this would be a nice candle here though. If we close above here, that's a 30-minute fake out. We might be able to get a minute entry. Depends on what news does though in 15 minutes. All depends on the news. I got bills. I gotta pay. So I'm gonna work at it every day. Yo, let me tell you guys. The more you show up, the more opportunities you have. So show up every day. Unless you're a genius. The only people that can afford to not show up every day are the geniuses. And I do not fall under that category, so gotta show up every day, every day. Bruh. Let's see, Oh, I just thought of the perfect logo or banner image. Oh yeah. I just thought of the perfect banner image. But I don't know how I'm gonna generate that though. I could just make it, but that's long, bro. Okay. So it's gonna be like, and that's like shifting, I guess. Okay. Oh yeah. I got this. It's like FX, and then you got a bunch of pips. Gold coins like five. Oh, bro, I just thought of the perfect banner image, yo. Perfection on this banner image. Then you got your little bull right there. Boom. And oh yeah, guys, I just thought of a banger. just thought of a banger, y'all. An absolute banger. Woof. But I'm not sure how I'm gonna generate it though. Yeah, that would be sick. That would be sick. I'll work on that. I'll work on that. Yeah. All right, y'all. 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left. Can we get a early entry here would be perfect. Early entry here would be perfect. It would suck. It would really suck if I hit my if I pass the challenge before I hit my 30-0 streak, but LOL, right? I mean, these are necessary sacrifices, you know? Hey, A92. All right. Okay. Que lo que te la gana. Receba. I just be saying random stuff, man. Don't mind me. Yeah. So closer in about 9 minutes. So for sure we're not having any entries before news. So let's see what news does. Worst case scenario is always we take a loss, right? Well, not really. Worst case scenario is we get hit by a meteor as soon as we're about to hit TP on a trade that would have won us the challenge, right? That's probably, worst case scenario, but yeah, what I wouldn't like is for prices is the news does nothing basically. And I mean, jobless claims have done nothing in the past, the very recent past. So this news might do nothing, just range. We might just range here and then in anticipation for tomorrow at FOMC. But we will see. 8 minutes left. 8 minutes left. Okay. Let me see. See, large. What's the best free AI generator? Because the vision I have in my head, it's like, let me see. Dali. Let me see what it is. Dali. Dali. Dalam. Wow. High quality. Well, that's jokes. An armchair in the shape of an. How do I? We're no longer allowing new users. Oh, boo. Boo. No more new users. Boo. Image effects by Google. Image effects. I mean, I almost gave y'all my location. Send me the location. I want to keep my I mean, if you got two brain cells to rub together, bro, what do you mean? Get out of here, man. Okay, let me see. The word. Yeah, we dropping on gold, right? Yeah. We are dropping on gold. Let's see. 5 minutes left, guys. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Hopefully we don't range. Ooh, wow, that's crazy. Okay, this is tough. This is tough. Okay. If this, if they manage to get, I'm using this AI image FX, if they manage to get what I have in my head, if this generates what I have in my head, I damn near send them some money, bro. I don't even know if you can. Oh, not quite. Ah, man, not quite. Oh, actually, no. I just need. Okay. 2 minutes. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left for news. It's tough. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see the extent of AI. See if AI has. Oh, I don't even have the screen on stream, do I? My fault, guys. Quite. Man. Oh, it's a tough one. This is a tough one. Okay, 30 seconds. Alright, so we have our closer. And we have news. We closed below. So barely below. We just closed below that level on the 30-minute. All right, but look what the hourly looks like. How did news come out? Mixed. So we have 2 negative, 1 positive. So technically we closed, or news came out bad, right? We have bad numbers for news. Once you average out the high impact news, but most of the medium impact news came out positive, right? So technically we have 3 positive, 3 negative, but 2 of those negatives are high impact versus 1 for the good, right? So technically we should be, I mean, I guess that balances out, but yeah, technically it's negative. Is it negative or positive? It's, yeah, technically it's negative numbers, right? So this should be going up right now. Oh, yo. So gold should be going up right now. No, I'm not surprised GJ isn't doing much. Not too surprised. There goes the flip on gold. This goes the flip on gold. So now we have a bottom wick. Yeah, you know, if just based off how that candle just formed and the fact that, you know, news is telling me we should be pushing up here. Let me see. Yeah, that's dangerous. That's dangerous for real. Yeah, we tapped into that level. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. If we close above this level on the 5, if we have a bottom wick, I'll have a buy stop on the flip of the hourly. A buy before would also be nice, but yeah, I mean, if we flip on the hourly, it's a volume move, right? We're taking the move off of volume, so we really shouldn't see much drawdown. If we come back down and break these lows, we're probably out of the trade by then. Yeah, the move is probably scuffed by then. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. If we have a closure above here, I'm gonna have a buy stop on the flip of the 5. Not the flip of the 5, the flip of the hourly. Yeah, let's see. So 1 minute, 1 minute left. 1 minute left. So 4-hour daily already came up. Yeah, that's interesting. Let me see. What's the dollar saying? I mean, the dollar isn't saying much, right? The dollar index ain't saying much. My fault. Yeah, it's negative. Negative. Yeah. Oh, it should be going down, but it's not. Okay. Okay, so that's last second jolt or what? Let's see. See how this 5-minute closes. Yeah, I need a bottom wick though. Once that 5-minute closes, I'm gonna need a bottom wick. Let me just get ready here. Just get ready here. So 20 seconds left. Are we gonna see this close above or respect? Yeah, looks like we're gonna respect. Okay. So no entries just yet. No entries for us just yet. False alarm, go back into your houses. Yeah, watch us drive up right now. Watch us drive up right now. But nah, no entries quite yet. I'm actually thinking, how about the sales though? So since what's it called? Since news didn't really do much, can we see some sales now? Because the thing is, right, you could wait for this 4 hour to close, which will give you better confirmation, right? You wait for the 4 hour to close below top wick and then drive down, right? You could wait for that to happen, but the move could just pass you by, right? If this 30 is gonna flip and, you know, fill the rest of this range up, the move could pass you by. So keep that in mind as well. Yeah, you're tapping into a 4 hour level there. I'm thinking. So if you take this flip, by the time you're here, you're 12 pips and then 47 pips. Yeah, so news, you didn't drive up with news here, right? You didn't drive up with news. Let's see how this 15-minute candle closes. If we close bearish like this, I might take a sell on the break of these lows. Yeah, if we close bearish like that, I might take that sell. Wait, let me see. We already, if we're gonna reject off of that. Yeah, it came up, so we tapped in, boom, still came up, boom, boom. Yeah, so once we close on this 15, if we can have a top wick, let me see. Yeah, so once we close on this 15, if we can have a top wick, tap into this level, I'll have sell stops on the break of these lows, right? And then that's to come down to these areas over here. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Yep. Yeah. If I can get a good entry, I'll have a decent vantage point. Right. I'm looking at break even around, I would say around here. Right. So this is where I'm looking at break even. So the better of a vantage point I can get, if we can close something similar to this, like right how price looks right now, if we can close like this exactly, you know, we come up, create that top wick, I'll have my sell stops at a break of the 15 lows, right? So to break even, that's about 26 pips, which is decent. But we might just drive here. Yeah, we might just drive here in this last 5 minutes. So let's see. If we drive here and we tap into 2282, I'll have to wait for the 4 hour close, to be honest. Or the hourly close, which is, I mean, also the 4 hour close, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, let's see how we close though. See how we close. Did GJ do anything? Nope. GJ did not do much. GJ did not do much. But let's see. Let's see. Let us see. Let us see. Oh yeah, this would be fuego on GJ. This would be nice on GJ. That would be nice for the buys up on GJ. Trust. Yeah, GJ is forming nicely though. GJ is forming nicely. I like it. I like it a lot. Me gusta. Me encanta. Okay, 5 minutes left for this 15 close. How did this 5 close? 5 closed. Respect. Well, 30 seconds left. Whoa. This was the last second? Yeah, look at that 5-minute close. That's an interesting 5-minute close right there. That's a very interesting 5. Very interesting 5 indeed. Indubitably. Indiddly. Yeah, if we could just close bearish like this, come up, tap into 2286 again, I'll have sell stops on the break of these lows. Most definitely. But we could just drive here. I wouldn't be surprised. Okay. So final 15 of the 4. So yeah, that's the 4 break-ins. So the 4 just broke its own lows, right? So are we gonna see this drive? Yeah, we need a decent vantage point here, guys. Yeah, nah. Looks like that might be gone. That might be gone. Yeah, that was a very interesting 5-minute closer. Very interesting 5-minute closer right there. Yeah, looks like we're coming down to tap into. Well, we didn't quite tap into it, but basically did. Yeah, so this needs to close a little bit higher up here. I mean, we're still good to take the sells, but at this point, I'm gonna need maybe not too much of a steeper top wick, maybe a top wick to this area here. So just above 2286. So around 2287. And the higher up this can close, the closer to this level this candle closes, the better. Because then I can take the flip of the new candle, right? GJ is doing bits though. I like what GJ is doing. I like what GJ is doing. Yeah, man. Yeah, I mean, if this 4 hour didn't have a top wick already, I might just get in on the 15, to be honest. Might have just gotten in on the 15 for the buys up. But we'll wait on the 4 for GJ for sure. Let's see what gold does here though. I don't know my password for this. Yeah, man, I don't know my password, bro. Oof. That worked okay. Tough. So. Okay, so what is this? 15 about to close. Yeah, not the best 15-minute closer, I'm not gonna lie. Not the best, not the best. Beautiful close on GJ though. I'm halfway tempted to get into the sells on or the buys on GJ off rip. Right, but I guess yeah, we want to confirm that this isn't just the top wick, because now we've taken out these highs of the previous hourly. We never took the lows though. Right, and this 4 hours, I mean, if we close bearish like this, we're probably gonna drive down here, right? And remember what I said? Now that we've tapped into 192, I understand we closed bullish, but now that we've tapped into 192.2, we could just start seeing this reject, right? We could just start seeing this reject, maybe come down for a steeper pullback before we continue to move up for the rest of the week, right? So we just broke into this new weekly range as well, so yeah, let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, so I mean, yeah, the only entry I would have here is a sell right now. That would be the only entry I could take, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah, so right there as we tap into that level, if I was looking for an entry, that would be the entry. I would sell right as we tapped into this level, I would sell. But there's no guarantee that this is gonna come back here. There is zero guarantee. This is the hourly reject. This could just be the hourly rejecting. I mean, the 4 hour rejecting the level as well. 30, 50. Yeah, nah. I got nothing right now, guys. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. But now we have come down, right? If you look at this previous candle, you had a bearish closer around this area, then a bullish closer after coming down to take these lows. So are we gonna see something similar here, right? We've taken out these lows. If we close bullish here, we could see some buys going up. We could start seeing some buys going up. And the 4 hour is probably still going to remain bearish, but even then, as long as we get a decent bottom wick, I think we should be good. Yeah, GJ, yeah, so for all the reasons I mentioned before, I am not in quite yet. I'm not in yet, but we could drive up here. I mean, ideally you want to drive up here, right? So we want to drive up here, but so closing up. Let me see, what is this? What is this range? Yeah, I'm just wait it out. I'm gonna wait out the 4 hour close. Let's see how we close on the 4. How many points I got? 204. Shit. Such calming music, huh? Hey, No te gusta, bro. No te gusta. All right, man. You can't just say no te gusta. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? Give me some creative criticism, some constructive criticism, as they say. I like it. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like it for what it is. You know what I'm saying? What you think I should have at the front? Give me some suggestions. I got something in mind right now for a new banner, but the thumbnail's probably gonna stay as it is for a while. I'm not gonna lie, but I'll take suggestions. Oh, it's you. Your opinions don't matter. I did joke. How far, bro? You on the Discord? Okay, I'm gonna unmute you. What's good, my brother? Can you hear me?
Hey.
Yeah.
How long you?
What's good, my brother?
This stupid gold pissed off me.
If you increase your volumes more, cause that massive,
No,
I
I
feel
said this. No, I said this stupid gold. I'm pissed off. Okay, it's moving as I was anticipating. Good. I was hoping this thing will not start fucking me up.
you're looking for buys.
I mean, the buys were supposed to have come since 2287, like two
Mm.
2287.8. That's the region where I predicted the buys would come in heavy. Then I was looking at it like let's say I wanted to take a buy limit at that point. Then my stop loss was set for like 2284.
Ah,
Once the market reached 2284 that the buy started coming. I said, wait,
gotcha. Yeah.
from between like 1150 and 1230, there was just a huge drop that I was not anticipating.
You said
And
between 750.
11, 11 that I think that's seven. No, that should be like 6 or 550 for you.
What do you mean
What
1150?
time is it?
Oh, you mean time? Oh, okay.
11:50 for you. Yeah.
I thought you meant price. Gotcha.
Oh my God. What time is that for you?
Eleven
When I first
fifty.
moved.
That's 450. Oh, not 450. Sorry. What is that?
I
650.
don't know, and I've been waiting for GJ to make some sense. She's not making sense.
Yeah, GJ
But
is
any
it's posturing up for some buys, but nothing quite yet. But it is,
some buys,
yeah, on GJ
look at the
anyways.
house.
Posturing
Look
up
at the
for
house.
some buys.
Today has been bearish. Oh no, today has been bullish.
Yeah, like I had like yesterday, like right in at the beginning of stream, I had 192.2 as a target for price to reach yesterday. So I said as soon as we get to 192.2, we should see, there should be either rejection or we're just gonna continue up. So now we've tapped 192.2. We rejected initially, but let's see if we close back above, then we should be good for the buys
Good,
to continue up.
good, good screwed me for this.
Gold.
So the thing is that I chickened out of a trade yesterday night, and I was sure the trade was going to happen. I chickened out because I wasn't going to monitor the charts. So I said, let me just close it, even though I was in loss. I just woke up, and I thought, oh my God, the move actually happened. Because I
Yeah,
noticed
man.
that sometimes when I just start to leave trades overnight, they can either happen or go there. So I just said that if I'm not watching it, I just close it. And
Yeah.
the move actually happened. Why didn't I just trust my gut and just leave it?
I
Just go
mean,
against it.
depending on how you enter the trade, like if you enter the trade as a day trade, in it, like in terms of how you set your stop loss and all that, then yeah, you want to be out before, you want to be out before before you, I guess, step away from the charts, or if you're not monitoring
The,
the
the,
charts?
the trade entered by like when gold hit like 2-3, that was around 11 o'clock my time, like 2,300. Like that was around 11 o'clock. And by that time I was off the charts. And I should have just stayed because that was
Yeah.
my thinking. I was certain that was the target that I could not tell that they want to hit 2-3 before today ends.
Yeah, if you're already in the trade, you might as well have stayed just to at least get to a point where you can go break even anyway. Hindsight.
No, I was in the red, but it was close to my stop loss, but I knew it wasn't going to touch the stop loss. And it didn't even touch, just like how
Yeah,
many
yeah,
pips
that's what
away
I
from stop
mean.
loss.
I mean, like
Oh,
since you were already in there, you might as well have just waited until either your stop loss gets hit or you move back into profit, and you can go break even and just go to sleep. You get,
hmm, sabotage what I've done. I see the
but
guys coming in good. Like I'm not
yeah.
seeing any truth from it.
Yeah, I'm not
I'm really not.
saying anything because we might just range for the day because tomorrow is FOMC, so we might just range in
Oh yeah,
anticipation of FOMC. But hopefully we
oh
can
yeah.
get something here. What?
You said tomorrow is what?
FOMC. First of the month. Waiting. That's the Fed.
Is it first of the month?
Hmm?
You say first of the month?
It's not first of the month council. We first of the waiting. I don't even know. Federal some. It's Fed now. Fed
I thought
speech.
Powell.
Fed speech
He
and that.
spoke on Wednesday. He spoke yesterday.
It's like initial. That was like initial. I guess briefing or
Yeah,
something. I don't know.
that's the briefing. But I want to say he spoke yesterday. I know he spoke.
Yeah, but tomorrow is
But I
gonna
wanted,
be heavy. You guys should be here on stream tomorrow, or I am if you guys
I'm
have
seeing
time.
non-farm payroll,
Yeah,
unemployment.
tomorrow is gonna be heavy. If you guys can pull
And
up,
it's
I would
not
appreciate.
Powell that's talking. It's Bauman. There are different people talking. Actually, I'm looking at it. But all the
Yeah,
speeches are moving. The non-farm payroll that is high.
yeah. It's
But still, I feel like there should be good movement on gold. We might even go higher. I don't know.
yeah.
Than 2K.
Tomorrow is gonna be heavy. It's gonna be heavy. A lot of
You
it.
know,
There will be a lot of people crying and some people laughing. A lot more people crying,
this
Sha.
gold is the name. Now the buys are coming.
Yeah. Yeah, so I mean, let me see. So this gold hourly is flipping here. Okay, let's see the 4. So again, gold is posturing up for buys as well.
That's what I
Let's
was saying. Like
see.
I was going, I was in the buys, but my stop loss was too close.
Yeah, man. It happens like that sometimes. With gold, a good
There has to be, there has to be able to
yeah.
avoid things like that. I need to find things to avoid that. It thing happens too frequent.
Yeah, depending on how you take your entries on gold, a good place to have your stop loss is like 2 ranges down. So you see like the next if you're taking
Mhm.
buys, so support 1 and then support 2. But it
That's
depends
a
on
lot.
how you are entering the trade, sure. Because that might just
That's a lot,
be
though.
I mean, again, it depends on how your own trading is, right? It depends on how your trading is. Me, I don't really look at the RR. All right, I can have like a 150 pip stop loss with my first TP at 20 pips. I don't really mind because I know it's a high quality trade, right? So if you're winning a lot more than you're losing and you have a negative RR, things tend to balance out and the opposite as well. Okay, so we just closed on the 4 hour. The 4 hour closed bearish. I understand this, but we have tapped into this level now, right? Hourly still closed bearish but respecting, right? So we didn't close back below, so we had a 30-minute fake out. Okay, let's see here. So can we anticipate more buys going up? Let me see. How would I take this trade here? Yeah, I'm a little lost. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so we had a 30 bottom wick. Hourly push above. Looks like we don't have a bottom wick yet. 4-hour daily. Well, I already made that high. Yeah, I'm a little lost here. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I'll tell y'all what. I'll tell y'all what though. Boom. Okay, so we had a closer below. Boom, close above. 30. Okay, so if we're mirroring this move to the left, if you look to the left, we had a bearish closure around this area, then a bullish close that killed the bottom, killed the lows close back above. Then we continue just driving up. Now, right, where would I expect a bottom wick? Because in the past, that candle went straight up, right? That candle went straight up. Let me see. Where can I expect a bottom wick? Let me see. Let's see. So that was just top. It didn't even tap on anything. It just went drove. Okay, so 30-minute. Yeah, this is very interesting, man. So your best move here, the safest move here is to wait for this 15 to basically tap into these areas. Yeah, if this 15 can come down and tap into these areas here, right? This 2284, that's the safest move, right? That's the safest move. You tap into it and then you get in on the flip. But what could happen here is we flip right now and we're driving up. If we flip right now, I do believe we should drive up to 2292 minimum. I really don't see a reason why we wouldn't, to be fair. I don't see a reason why we wouldn't do that. So let me see, what's the 4-hour? What does that look like on the 4? Yeah, that's the flip of the 4 as well. Now we have a bottom wick on the 4. Yeah, if we had a 4-hour level here, this would be better in terms of confirmation. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm a little turned around right now. Let me see, 15. Yeah, now we have too much rejection over there though. Yeah, I'll tell you guys what. I'm not gonna get in right now. If I see a tap into 2284, I'll get in the flip. But we might just flip and continue, or we might just continue pushing up here. So yeah, if we continue pushing up, I'll wait for a closer above 2292 and then I'll get in the buys. But yeah, for now I'm gonna keep away from gold for now. Let me see, how did GJ close? GJ closed. Okay, this is a good closer on GJ. We close respecting. We formed the bottom wick. Okay, 15.5. Okay, so okay, GJ is looking good to drive up here. So 30. So we should build those highs, to be honest. Okay. If we break those highs again, which we're doing right now, yeah, let me see if I can just posture up real quick and I'll get in these buys on GJ. What is this, 7 pips? I don't mind. Okay, so I'm looking at a buy on the break of those highs on GJ. I'm not in yet. I just want to get things together here. Hourly. See. What is this? 30. Let me see. Not in yet. Not in yet. What is that? 191.7. Okay, so This is probably gonna be a manual entry, to be honest. Let me see. Okay, so it's still not quite in. I wanted to tap a little bit higher there. Not in, and okay, I'm in. So I'm in the buys on GJ. I'm in the buys on GJ. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a push here. Let's see if we can get a push. Because we are going to react off of, you know, the current level that we're on. So I'm not too worried about this initial rejection that we're seeing. But let's see. The 15-minute candle close is going to be I believe it's going to be key here. So I'm probably going to manage this off of the 15 close. Break even point is 192.184. All right, 192.184 would be break even. That would be these highs right here, right? That level. That would be these highs right here. 192.18, around there. We don't have any more news, right? I don't think we do. Do we have news? Probably should have checked that first, huh? Yeah, no news. So yeah, let's see if we can drive up here on GJ. So we in these buys. We're in these buys. We're in these buys. We're in these buys. I got my stop loss below the range, right? 191.712. 191.712. Yeah. So what I don't want to see when I'll close, I think the first time I'll consider managing off the 15, of course, but I think a closer below 191.924 is basically that's when I'll start getting worried about the trade, right? If we close below here on, say, the 30-minute, yeah, that's when I'll start worrying about the trade. But for now, let's just see how this plays out. Let's see how this plays out. Yeah, 4-hour highs. I just could keep on flipping. Yeah. Because with the way we formed here, I would think if we were going to drive down, we would tap into 192.2 first. The fact that we basically broke below, then broke back above, I would think we would tap into 192.2. So basically what that's saying to me is that price has either hit a level where it wants to reject to continue to push up. Actually, let me put this on screen. My fault. Let me put this on screen. Let's see. F2. Yeah, so what this is telling me is that price has either hit a level, right, where it wants to reject off of and drive up, or price wants to come back and tap into a higher level before driving down, right? So the last bullish closer before we drove down was here, right? This is where the bullish candle tapped into before we made this drive down. So I would think if we close back above, we're gonna tap a little bit higher, and the most logical level in terms of doing that would be 192.2. So let's see. Oh no, my fault. There you go. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happened. Yeah, we're coming down here heavy though, so I mean that's never good, but let's see how the 15 closes. So the 5 just closed right at that level, probably no bottom wick. Yeah, so I mean, close no bottom wick. Created the bottom wick now. Yeah, if we can flip up here and start to drive, that would be nice. But let's see. 10 or F9. There you go. Let us see. Are we gonna take our first L in 7 trades today? We'll see. Yo, guys, still there? Brooks. We got not even there. Nonsense guy. All right, so let's see. We watching and we waiting. In terms of TPs, let me see. I mean, the next 4-hour level just makes sense, doesn't it? All right. But we're gonna push up here. Yeah, well, go on, bro.
I was here, the shit just wasn't working, and I wasn't muted, so I had to leave the call and come back.
Gotcha. Yeah, if did you took the GJ trade or no?
No, I'm looking at gold and pound USD right now.
Fair
Pound
enough.
dollar.
Nice. So 193.3, right?
These ones.
Heavy drive off of there. Let me see. Yeah, so I'd say TP's around here, to be honest. 192.44 around there for TPs. Again, I mean, I say it all the time, but the faster the move plays out, the better, right? The faster we flip here, if we flip, the faster it happens, the better. That just, you know, that's volume, right? That signifies volume to the top side. So if that happens, if it happens quick like that, we should be able to clean. We should be able to push clean through that 192.2 level. But let's see. But let me put in my stop loss though. Let me put in my stop loss 192.442. Let's see what happens here. Oh, 205. Why is it 205? Oh, I'm stupid. Oh man, I didn't risk. It is what it is. All right, let's see. Now we wait. Let's see what gold's doing. Yeah, that's a beautiful bottom wick on gold. If I wasn't in GJ already, I would take the flip of the 4-hour on gold. If I wasn't in GJ already, I'll take the flip of the 4-hour, which is the flip of everything really. So flip of the 15, so yeah, right here on gold, I would be in those buys right there. I would be in those. I mean, it's not on screen. I don't have it on screen, but wait, hold up. Let me put it on screen. Yeah, so that flip right there, the 4-hour flip. Yeah, that flip right there, I would be in. I would be in those buys on gold, but we're currently in GJ, so we wait and see. Okay, so I mean the 15-minute close is good, right? Yeah, if this 5-minute can push up a little bit more and close above the range, that would be nice. That would be nice. Spreads are a bitch, innit? Okay, so 15 just closed bullish, so that's a good 15. That's a very good 15-minute closer. We've created a bottom wick. All right, let's see if we can drive here. Let's see if we can drive off this 15. If there's volume enough, we should drive. You said what?
Is it for gold or what?
No, on GJ. GJ. So it's a good 15-minute close, but let's see how this new 15 forms here. Yeah, if we're intending to drive up, I think this should be enough to drive up. We should see a big push here to 192.2 minimum if we want to drive up, right? Okay, so we're pushing up here. We're pushing up. Let's see. Yeah, the faster we push through that 192.2, the better. Because if we stall around there, most likely we're going to reject at some point and get... Okay, so we just push. Once that high breaks again, I'm going to go break even. If we break that high one more time, I'll go break even. I haven't managed anything yet, though. I haven't managed anything yet. But once we break those highs, we should go break even. Yeah, the faster we push through that high, the better. Because if we sort of break the highs again and, you know, bounce around, we might just reject. We'll probably get stopped out at break even. Yeah, but the faster we push here, yeah, we're rejecting. We're sort of holding that resistance. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like that we're stalling so much. Yeah, I haven't moved anything. Did we break those? Okay, so we just broke those highs again, I believe. Wait, not quite, not quite. Boom. Did we break the highs? Not yet. Yeah, no. I wanted to break the highs exactly. And okay. Boom. So right there. So we just tapped into the level. We tapped into the level and rejected. So I'm at break even right now, but I haven't closed anything, right? I'm just at break even. Yeah, I'm just at break even. I'm not really gonna close anything here until minimum, I would say the 15-minute close. Either full TPs get hit or the 15-minute. Oh no, that's a lie. There's a level right here. 192.35. So 192.35 would be my TP1, right? So either that level gets hit or this 15-minute closes, and then I can manage off of that. But we're out here, we're risk-free right now, so it's either we win or it's gonna be a break even, one of the two. Let's see what happens. So 192.35. 192.35. Cool. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, I would say take out partials here, to be honest. Like if you're in the trade, I'd say take out partials here. It makes sense. I mean, you're already what, 10 pips in? Well, you're almost 10 pips in. You're like 9 pips in. So if you're happy with the dollar amount, you might as well take out some, because you could see some major rejection now, right? You could see some major rejection. We just tapped into this area here, so you could see some major rejection. I'm willing to keep it running. Yeah, I'm willing to keep it running here. I'm willing to keep it running here with the risk of closing break even. Yeah, so I'll manage on the 15. Because technically this 15 doesn't have a bottom wick, right? So we could flip. We really could just flip and close back into the range. Yeah. If we do that, then hey, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. It is what it is, but actually, let me see how let's see how this 5 closes. Depending on this 5 open, I might close partials. Let's see. What is currently on screen? Sorry. What's on screen right now? There you go. Yeah, depending on this 5 close, I might close partials. Let's see. Okay, so I'm not a fan of the 5 close, but I am a fan of the open. So I'm gonna leave everything running here. I haven't closed anything. I haven't closed anything here. Okay, so Okay, now we took out those highs. What I'm gonna do here, guys, I'm gonna close majority of the position right here. Yeah. 0.65.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna close majority of the position. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so GG's. GG's. Okay, so nice little trade. So the reason I close at that level is because let me see if I can change this. Let's see. F10. Cool. So yeah, the reason I close at this level is because if you look to the left, right, you've had some major rejection here, right? Major rejection as we tap into this level. So we could just drive straight through. If we push straight up, it would have been, I said I would wait for the 15-minute close, but I just realized, I mean, with the way we've rejected off this level in the past, you know, I mean, yeah, the way even on the 4-hour, right? This is also a 4-hour rejection, right? So we might just reject straight off of there. Yeah, so it's better to just close out, you know, most of the profits right there. And yeah, now we got runners. Let's see.
Larry, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
The family formed the way.
Yeah, so like, oh, you're in the gold buys? Huh? You're in the gold buys?
Yeah.
Good shit. Yeah, I would have been in there a while ago as well. Like if I wasn't in GJ, I would have already been in gold as soon as we flipped on the 4-hour. So on that, like 2288.6, I would have been in gold already, but just be careful of that 2292 level. You might see some that's what?
The TP. That's the TP.
Yeah, man.
Once the rejection comes in,
Yeah, that should be a TP1 right there. But as soon as you tap into that level, anything can happen. You can either keep on driving up or you might start rejecting. But I like this 4-hour candle though. I do like this 4-hour candle. I think once this 4-hour candle breaks its highs, once the 4-hour candle breaks its highs, you should see a big push up towards 2292. Yeah, you should be good there, I think. Yeah, if you manage to break those highs again, retest those highs again, you should see a big push up to 2292. Actually, how much is that pips wise? Yeah, no, I'll stay out of that. I'll stay out of that just because. Yeah, there you go. You see that? See that push? Yeah, that should take you to 2292. To be honest, I don't see any reason why it wouldn't. But remember that 2292 is an area, right? It's not a level. It's sorry, it's not a specific number, right? It's the general area. So there you go. Ooh, look at that push. There's volume. There's volume. There's volume. Okay, we still. What happened? What?
no, I'm not talking to you.
Why you not talking to me? Nah, did I offend you? Did I offend you? Okay. Yeah, so we got runners on GJ. We still haven't hit break even, so let's see if we can get some more food on GJ for the day. So that's a good trade. I told you, man, 20-0 for the month. That's now 30-0 for the month. That's where I'm going. I'm telling you. We are gonna go 30-0 for the month. I can guarantee you this. Trust me. We're really on different timing right now. By the grace of God, you know? By the grace of God. Okay, so W That's another one. That's another W. That's another W for the month. Currently on a, I believe, 9-win streak on stream. So yeah, always remember.
What video TP? What video TP in GG?
TP1 was literally where we rejected off. So 192.23 was TP1. But I have runners up to 192.45 if I don't get taken out at break even though. What you say?
I don't think I have a zone around it for 192.4.
I didn't quite hear you, but
Okay, I see what you're referring to.
yeah.
At all. You're tired.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So gold, you wanna take? You either wanna go BE at gold right now or take profits. Either or, I don't know. I would. I don't want to, let me not influence your, let me not influence your bias, but yeah, right there where we just tapped right there, I would be at break even minimum, depending on where my break even was, anyways. Second thing you could do is just wait for the 30-minute close, because you have a 30-minute close in 2 minutes. So I mean, if the 30-minute close is above, I mean, you're good, right? At that point, just wait for the bottom wick. As soon as that candle flips, you go break even, you should be good. You shouldn't tap back into your entry. But if you wait, you stand the risk of this candle rejecting, right? So that's up to you. But I do think we're still gonna push up here. I do believe we're still gonna. I'm gonna wait for a 30-minute close here before I hop off stream. Because if we get a 30-minute close here, I'm impartial to the buys. I would like to take those buys as well. Yeah, so I think GJ just hit BE. Yeah, GJ hit BE, so no runners on GJ, but nice little how many pips is this? Let me see. Nice little, let me see. 0.12. Nice little, what is that? That's 10 pips, really? That's 10 pips. So I got a lot from 10 pips. That's nice. That's 10 pips exactly, actually. Oh yeah. You see, this is crazy, isn't it? Back in the days, you tell me I got 10 pips, I'd be pissed, right? I'd be like, that's nothing. Right now, 10 pips, I got $42 off of the 10 pips. So that just goes to show, right? Don't worry too much about the dollar amount, right? Just worry about the skill. Because if you're making that steady 10 pips, once your account size is about $1 million, that 10 pips is gonna do numbers. That's feeding your kids for a year. Trust me. So yeah, don't worry too much about the money, guys. Just worry about the skill. Worry about the skill. All right, so GG's. I'm about to, let me see. So GJ plus 10. Nice. So April record 3, stream record gets updated to 18. 18 wins on the stream, 4 losses. And that is a 9-win streak, I believe. Yeah, 9-win streak. 9-win streak. Beautiful. Again, thank you everybody that tunes in. You guys keep me accountable and profitable. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you still did this gold trade.
It hit broke. It hit BE.
Yeah, be yeah. I mean, like, you could still this could still drive up, right? But I mean,
I will only take it after it breaks that zone that we're talking about.
yeah, man,
If you want to, so
that's what I would
I will
do
only
as
take it.
well. That's what I
So
would do as
my
well,
guy,
because if you
so
weigh out
I
your
was just about to
options,
play.
so what?
I was just about to play United. I was just about to play United, but I think my pound dollar trade will come later today. Maybe
God,
around like I'm anticipating around like
yeah, I used to.
2 o'clock. No.
Uh,
And what time is New York Stock Exchange opening again? NYC. That's
ninth. So
8:30.
right now.
Is it right now?
Yeah, right now.
I thought it's 3:30. Okay, daylight savings. I forgot what I'm
Yeah,
looking
so
for.
it's 9:30 right now. So that should be 2:30 your time, I guess. Yeah, 2:30.
It just opened. It just opened.
Yeah. Yeah, so you should see some
Maybe
volume
like
from NYC here.
now I'm thinking maybe like an hour.
Mm,
Actually, the trade should enter and the buys on
yeah.
pound dollar should push up. But that's how I don't have any evidence today.
Yeah.
The day that
Uh,
I should have taken trades for gold, what they say, I think it was on Monday, nigga. Literally all my predictions entered. And I only took like 2 trades. And I should have taken like
yeah.
12.
I swear, like just looking at gold like this, right? Every single one of these bullish candles on the daily, there's something I called in every single one, but I didn't take every single one, right? So I'm
Which
pissed,
I mean,
but it
I'm
is
like,
what it
the
is.
thing frustrates me because I'm like, there has to be a way to fix this not taking and taking the dumb trades. When I will now predict like 6 or 7 good trades, and I'm like, I'm not going to take it. Next minute, I come back and check, I'm like, God. Then one and I take, and I'm
Yeah,
like, I did I take this one? That's the
yeah,
way to fix this.
yeah. That's why you wanna stick to let's have a strategy. Just understand that, even if you know where price wants to go, if your strategy is not, if it's not giving you the entries, just stay out of it. That way you have, I mean, it's better to look at the trades you can't even say you missed it, right? Because you knew it was, you quote
Yeah,
unquote
you can't
knew.
say this.
Hmm?
I can't even count it as a dog or an L because I didn't enter.
Sorry, what? Come again?
I couldn't even count it as a dog or an L because I
Yeah,
didn't enter.
exactly. So I mean, if you didn't enter, then it's one of two things: either you hesitated or it wasn't your move. If you hesitated, then work on that. But if it wasn't your move, then you didn't really miss anything. You can't lose money you never had. You can't lose money you never had, right? So yeah, guys, that's I think that's about to be it for the day. Um, another W for the record. We're on a 9-win streak right now. Hopefully, we can keep that alive as we head towards funded, right? So now this, we're about what, 6%? Yeah, we're 6% up, so 4% more to go. So let's see if we can let's see if April is gonna be the month. Let's see if April is gonna be the month here. And remember, this is just phase 1, right? We still got phase 2, so no need to get too excited. Yeah, so gold rejecting right now. I mean, so good risk management on your part, because yeah, gold rejecting right now. I think, yeah, you want to wait for a hourly closer. Well, how did this 4 hour? Well, 4 hours flipping now, so you could just continue driving down. All right, so I mean, maybe a 15-minute closer below 2286. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, you could take that maybe, but yeah, that's the 4. Yeah, so you could take the break of these lows on the 4 hour for the sells. The safest thing would be to wait for that closer, the 1 hour closer below, right? But now that we're about to take these lows or flip completely on the 4 hour, you could take those sells going down, to be honest. and you would take those sells towards these previous lows. That's 25 pips, so you have good vantage point in that regard. You have decent vantage point. But yeah, I would wait for the hourly close though. I would wait for the hourly close. Okay, that's about it. Broski, you have anything you wanna say to the people?
Nope.
All right.
Clear with you.
Gotcha. Appreciate y'all for showing up. So sorry, what did you say?
Jobless claims. They didn't do shit. Normally they do a lot. They
Yeah,
didn't do shit
man.
today.
Bro, news has been on some fuckery lately, man. Some serious fuckery, because it'll bring volume, right? But it won't bring direction. You'll see that initial, like initial gra, then to just sort of settle back down.
Jobless claims is normally the most volatile. What happened when it came in? I think absolutely nothing happened.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah, man.
I'm
But
looking at
hey,
it.
but
On
tomorrow though, tomorrow
the
though,
price came in. Nothing.
for sure you'll see some tomorrow. Just show up tomorrow. If you can, anyways.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, if you
I'll show up.
can,
No,
show up. Yo. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Have a good one. Stay blessed, stay profitable in it. Until next time. Peace.